Hi everyone, it's JoshsCindyLou, aka TwinnyTwinMom, and I am here with our giant bathroom shower tub. It's a sunken shower tub, and it is huge, and it is complete, and it is beautiful, and we are so excited. I'm going to try and get in it right now for the first time, since everything is dry. So there was like a step here that was kind of weird height, didn't really do much, and now it is a seating area. Now I can use it to step down, which I will do. So I'm standing in here. Oh my god, it feels so weird. And I've been really wanting to see the inside here. So we also raised this dam here, and so the bathtub is a deeper level. I have not gone through, and oh god, see, that's so much deeper now. That's great. We can actually have like a bathtub. Wow, see, it's so pretty on the inside. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So we got the new drain, and we got the new faucets. These are all Delta. They're exactly like the ones in the other bathroom, just the oil rubbed bronze, which looks amazing in here. It would have looked good in the other bathroom too, but I just think it really, I was going for more of a bling in there. And then there is the shower head, which is beautiful, and I still haven't taken the plastic off yet. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. So here is the band, and along with the band there are two shampoo niches, and one for smaller people, and then tiny people could put their stuff there. So one for like the kids, the little ones, and then this is for mom and dad and the boys. And here's the rest of the band. And again, we followed the same design idea with the larger tiles, and then going into the smaller tiles in the same. And then this band, since this room is so huge and the shower is so huge, what we did is we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wide, which is 6 inches, instead of 4 like the other one. And that will, the room can carry it better. It's just, it's so much bigger, and the eye of it gave it a lot better look. So, and like I said before, good design follows front to back, side to side, top to bottom. So we did the top, cut those down a bit into there because it just didn't add up right. And I could have put this through here, the band, but I didn't want him to have to do all this work in here, all this little pieces, and it just flowed better through here. So that's what we chose to do. Now here, like I said, good design follows top to bottom. So top to bottom, okay? Everything's going the same way. Everything's going vertical. But when you look at it this way, that seat is also going vertical, even though it's going a different way from here. When your eye follows it, it looks much more pleasant to the eye, these going horizontally, than if these went this way to follow this. It just, to follow the floor, it just wouldn't look right. So that is what we chose to do. So thank you everyone for joining me. We are going to clean this up. You know, it's dusty and stuff. And we are going to put the kids in for their first bath time. And they are super stoked. They don't even know yet, but they are just going to be like, "Wah!" and freak out. So, yeah, and all 4 can fit in here. So, it's just a little deeper now. So, it's going to be an awesome bathtub for all. Okay. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.